No one is coming to save you.
She left you. Or maybe she didn't. Maybe it's worse than that. Maybe you're still with her, but you know she doesn't look at you the way she used to. Maybe you just woke up one morning and realized that you don't recognize yourself anymore. You're out of shape. You're broke. You're lazy. You're distracted. You're numb. You open your phone and scroll for hours just to avoid the silence in your own mind. You eat garbage. You sleep too late. You wake up tired. You repeat the same empty day over and over and over again. And the worst part, you know exactly what you're doing wrong. You know. You've always known. But you keep choosing comfort over change. And every single day you do that, you're not staying the same. You're getting worse. So let me ask you something. How much more time are you willing to waste? Because your life will not fix itself. No one is coming to save you. Not your mother. Not your friends. Not some girl. Just you. So, if you're ready to actually change, then sit down, shut up, and listen. Because I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. Step by step. Starting now. Step 1. Win the morning. This is where everything starts. Not tomorrow. Not next Monday. Not next month. Tomorrow morning. When that alarm goes off, you have exactly 3 seconds to make a decision. You either get up or you stay down. If you stay down, you've already told your brain that comfort is more important than your future. Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful man in the Roman Empire, wrote this in his journal every morning. At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I have to go to work as a human being. He wasn't motivated. He was disciplined. There's a massive difference. Motivation is a feeling. It comes and goes. Discipline is a decision, it stays. So tomorrow morning, when your body says 5 more minutes, you say no. You get up. You make your bed. You move. That is your first victory. And that first victory will set the tone for the entire day. Step 2. Destroy distractions. You already know what they are. Your phone, social media, porn, video games, Netflix, YouTube. Yes, even this app. I'm not telling you to delete everything. I'm telling you to control it. Right now, your distractions control you. You pick up your phone without even thinking. You open Instagram with a reason. You watch videos for hours and remember nothing. That is not relaxation. That is addiction. Seneca said, people are frugal in guarding their personal property, but as soon as it comes to wasting time, they are most wasteful of the one thing in which it is right to be stingy. Your time is the only thing you cannot get back. So here is what you do. Set a time limit. 1 hour a day. Outside that hour, your phone stays in another room. You will feel uncomfortable. Good. That discomfort is your old self dying and your new self being born. Step 3. Move your body. I don't care if it's the gym. I don't care if it's running. I don't care if it's push-ups in your bedroom. Just move. Your body is the vehicle that carries your mind through life. If your vehicle is broken, your mind will break too. The Stoics believe that physical training was not vanity. It was duty. You don't train to impress others. You train to prove to yourself that you are not soft. Start small. 20 push-ups tomorrow morning. A 10-minute walk. Anything. but do it every single day. Not when you feel like it. Every day. Because your body is a reflection of your discipline. If it's weak, so are you. Step 4. Cut the wrong people. This one hurts. But you already know who needs to go. The friend who laughs when you try to improve. The person who only calls you when they need something. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The object of life is not to be on the side of the majority, but to escape finding oneself in the ranks of the insane." You will never grow surrounded by people who are comfortable with mediocrity. You don't need to fight them. You don't need to explain. Just quietly distance yourself and watch how fast your life changes when the noise disappears. Step 5. Build in silence. Stop telling people your plans. Every time you announce what you're going to do, your brain gets a small reward. It feels like you've already done it. So you never actually do it. The most dangerous men in history never announced their next move. They just moved. Work on yourself quietly. Train when no one is watching. Build skills no one expects. Read books no one sees you reading. And then one day your results will speak so loud that you won't need to say a word. Silence is not weakness. Silence is strategy. Step 6. Embrace the pain. Changing your life is not comfortable. It will hurt. You will be tired. You will want to quit. You will have days where nothing seems to work. You will wonder if any of this is worth it. It is. Seneca wrote, "A gin cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials." The pain you feel right now is not punishment. It is construction. You are being rebuilt from the ground up. And everything that is falling apart because it was built wrong. Let it fall and build something stronger. Subscribe if you're ready. Leave the word change in the comments if today is your day one. Hit like button and share with your friends. Good luck, warrior.